Okay, good morning everyone. So last meeting we were able to talk about the operations involving polynomials. So that's module 4 for the lesson number 1. And as a review, so nagsagot po tayo kung similar terms po siya or dissimilar terms. Similar po siya kung pareho silang variable na ginamit. Dissimilar po kapag magkaiba. Sa addition and subtraction naman po of polynomials, we can only add if they are similar terms. If it's not, we will bring it down and copy lang po. Then, nagsagot po tayo ng ating quiz wherein we were able to answer number 1. And the answer is negative x minus 9. 5 points for the correct one, 2 points for the incorrect one. So, before I proceed with number 2, 3, and 4, make sure na nasagutan nyo po muna ito. Kasi po, pag hindi po nyo ito nasagutan, na-reveal na po ang sagot, it is a form of cheating na po. So, make sure na nasagutan nyo na number 2, 3, and 4. Kapag wala pa po, pause for a while, then answer number 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's check number 2, 3, and 4 as we reveal the answer now. For number 2, we have the following. For number 2, for a while, I'll be finding the pen. So for number 2, we have the given 9x squared minus 2x, or the group of 9x squared minus 2x subtracted to the group of 8x squared plus 4x. In this case, the first group subtracted to the second group. Kapag subtraction po ang ginamit, take note, bring down po ang first group. Okay, ang second group naman po, baliktarin kung ano yung nasa loob na sign. 8x squared is positive, so magiging minus 8x squared na po siya. Positive 4x is positive, so magiging negative 4x na po siya. Then, we are going to look for the partner. Si 9x squared, ang partner po niya si 8x squared. Bakit po sila partner? Kasi pareho po sila ng x squared na ginamit. Si negative 2x naman po, ang partner niya si negative 4x. And as we continue, 9x squared minus 8 or 9 minus 8, 1 po ang sagot. Then x squared po ang kanilang variable na ginamit. So copy lang po. Next, si 2x at saka 4, meron kang utang na 2 kasi negative 2. May utang ka na 4 kasi negative 4. So kung may utang ka na 2, dinagdagan mo ng utang na 4, ilan na lahat utang mo? So that is 6. And utang is negative. So negative 6. Then their variable na ginamit is x. Okay. Then take note, ang 1 po is invisible. So pwede na po siyang x squared minus 6x. Okay, that's the answer for number 2. Okay, 5 points po ang tama. 2 points naman po ang mali. Okay, let's proceed now to number 3. For number 3, we have the given 3x squared minus 2x plus 5, then added to the group of, oops, what kaya? Oops. Mag-next number lang po ako kasi hindi po siya ma-view. For number, please take note the answer, negative x squared minus 6x. Next, for number 3, the group of 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 added to the group of 5x squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay, take note, ang ginamit po na operation sa first group, added to the second group. Add po, so bring it down. Kapag add, bring it down. Minus 2x plus 5. Subtract lang po tayo change ng sign sa entire group sa kabila. Okay, hanapin po yung partner. 3x squared, partner po niya si 5x squared. Then plus 5x squared. Si negative 2x, ang partner po niya si positive 2x. Si plus 5, ang partner po niya si minus 8. Then we continue, 3x squared plus 5x squared, 3 plus 5, magiging 8 na po yan. Their variable na ginamit si x squared. Negative 2 plus 2, may utang ka na 2, binawasan mo ng 2. Or may utang ka na 2, binayaran mo ng 2 kasi, bakit bayad? Kasi positive 2. So therefore, 0 na po siya. And kag 0 na, wag na po ilagay. Then 8, hindi po yan 8, 5 po yan. Sorry for that. 5 minus 8. So, saan po yung galing yung 5? Ito po. Yung 8, ito po. So, 5 minus 8, that is negative 3. Okay, so, may binayad ka na 5, may utang ka na 8, kulang pa ng 3. So, kulang is negative minus 3. So, the answer here is positive 8x squared minus 3. Again, 5 points po ang tama. 2 points naman po ang mali. Next, for number 4, the given was 8x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2, then added to the group of 3x squared plus 4x plus 7. Okay, the first group is added to the second group. Take note, added po ang ginamit, so bring it down. So, 8x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 7. Hanapin po ang kagrupo ni 8x cubed. Meron po ba? Wala po. So, bring it down lang po. Si 2x squared, may kagrupo po ba? Yes, meron. Si 3x squared. Ito po. Si 2x naman po, asan ang kagrupo niya? Si 4x. Yan po. Plus 4x. Si 2 naman po ang kagrupo niya, si 7. Plus 2 plus 7. Then, since walang kagrupo si 8x cubed, bring it down. Si 2x squared, may kagrupo siya si 3x squared. 2 plus 3 magiging 5. Then, variable na ginamit si x squared. Si 2 and 4 magiging 6. Then, variable na ginamit si x. Si 2 plus 7 magiging 9. And that is now the answer. 8x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, that is 5 points. 2 points po ang mali. A total of, for quiz number 6, Q number, hindi po siya magsulat dito na side. I don't know why. For Q number 6, 20 over 20. Please submit your score and the picture of your solution with the correct answer. Please be honest po, quiz number 6 is 20 over 20. Let's proceed now to the next part of the lesson. So the next part of our lesson is what you call the law of exponents. When you say law of exponents, it is defined as a raised to n, like this, is equal to a times a times a times a infinity to a, where a is not equal to 0 and n is an integer. So ibig sabihin daw po, in a raised to n, a is the called base. Ito po yung base. Ito po siya si a. Yung n naman po is exponent. Ito po siya si exponent. Okay? A is base and exponent. So, pag sinabi mong exponents, ibig sabihin, i-multiply mo yung a kung ilang beses po yun siya. Example, we have this example, 4 raised to the power of 7. Ibig sabihin po, 7 times ulitin ang 4. Ganun po. Yan po ibig sabihin na exponent. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, we continue with example number 1. Which of the following is correct or are correct? So, check lang po kung correct. X naman po ang mali. Okay? Tama po ba? I'll give you, pause lang muna pause lang muna bago ko i-reveal ang answer. Okay? Pause for a while. Okay, I will reveal now the answer. 4 squared is 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Tama po yan siya. Correct. Next. 2 raised to the power of 4. Ilang beses ulitin? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama po yan siya. 4 na beses. Pero 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. So, mali po siya dito. Okay, next. 2 raised to the power of 5. Dapat 5 beses ulitin si 2. So, mali na po siya. So, dapat pong sagot dyan, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that is equivalent to 81. No? 2 times 2 is 4. 8. 8, 16, 32, 64. That is 64. So, the correct answer is 64. So, X po si letter C. Si A lang po yung tama dyan. Okay? So, nakakuha din ba kayo ng the same answer sa akin? Ang tama is A, ang B and C is mali. Okay, next, let's continue. Another example. Give the value of each of the following as fast as you can. Okay, post nyo muna, then sagutan nyo po. Okay, so thank you. So, we now have 2 times 2 times 2. That is equivalent to 8. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 beses daw. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Times 2, 16 times 2, 32. Ha? 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. Tama. So, mali yung kanina, class. 2, 5, 6 kaya pala. Mali po. Mali. Sobra po. That is 32. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, next, continue tayo sa number letter C. So, we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 4 na beses po. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Times 3 is 81. So, 81 po yung sagot. So, ganun lang po. Okay? Next, let's continue. Do not forget to copy everything, class, ha, because it is part of your portfolio. Okay, let's continue on this. So, I would like you to observe this one. So, 2 cube 2 cube raised to the power of 2. Ibig sabihin po, si 2 cube, 2 beses ulitin. Bakit 2 beses? Tingnan nyo po. Raised to the power of 2. Raised to the power of 2. Yan po ang sinabi. So, 2 cube, 2 cube. Tama po yan. Export raised to the power of 3. Yung export, tatlong beses ulitin. Bakit tatlong beses? Because 3 ang nasa labas. Okay? So, tama po ito. Next, 3 squared raised to the power of 2. Dalawang beses ulitin. Si 2 squared raised to the power of 3. Ilang beses ulitin si 2 squared? Tatlo. That's good. So, 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared. Yan po ibig sabihin yan. Next, long process po. Ilang beses ulitin si 2 dito? Raised to the power of 3 man, tatlong beses. Tapos dito sa kabila naman, tatlong beses. Ilan na yung tatlong-tatlo na yon? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama po ito. Dito naman, ilang beses ulitin sa x? 4 plus 4 plus 4 magiging 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tama po yan. 3 squared, 3 squared, ilang beses ulitin? Okay, apat na beses. Very good. 3, 3, 3, 3. Bakit apat po? 3 squared, dalawa. 3 squared, dalawa ulit. Next, ito naman po, 6 na beses ulitin. So, ganun po yun. Dito naman po, 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. So, 81 po ang sagot dito sa, sorry, hindi po siya magsulat. So, 81 po ang sagot dyan. Dito naman po sa kabila, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16 times 2 is 32 times 2 is 64. Okay? Oops. Kinawala tayo. Okay, proceed na tayo sa law of exponents. The first law is called power to a power. Ibig sabihin po, yung a raised to power, gi-raise pa sa isang power. So, ang tawag po niyan, power of a power. So, example na po ng power of a power, ito. X raised to 100. Gi-raise na siya sa 100, gi-raise pa siya sa 3. Kapag ganyan po ang case, i-multiply lang po siya. 100 times 3, magiging 300. Y raised to 12 raised to 5. So, dalawang beses siya gi-raise, power to a power. So, magiging 12 times 5, magiging 60 na po siya. Okay, tawag po niyan, power of a power. Okay, please copy that one. Post nyo lang po, then proceed. Okay, dito naman tayo sa power of a product. Ibig sabihin po, nag-multiply ka ng dalawang base na pareho, x at saka x, i-multiply mo sila, i-add lang po ang exponent. Observe ko anong difference nila sa kabilang example. Ito siya, isa lang po ang base. Power of a power. Ito naman po, dalawa ang base. But they are the same bases, x at saka x. Kapag ganyan po ang case, i-add po ang exponent. 32 plus 25, 57. 59 plus 51 equals 110. Okay, ganun lang po sa law of exponents. Next. Dito naman tayo sa quotient of a power. Quotient, a raised to n divided by a raised to m or over a raised to m. Kapag ganyan po ang case, isubtract lang po sila. 20 minus 13 is equals to x raised to 7. So, mali po ito. 105, 87, subtract, magiging 18. So, please copy for the quotient of a power. Ulitin ko, yung kanina, product of a power. Ngayon naman po, quotient of a power. Okay, please copy that one. Post lang po para makopy. Next, let's proceed now to the next one is the law of zero exponent. Itong law of zero exponent naman po, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, paano po yan siya? Lahat po ng number na i-raise mo sa 0 is equal to 1. Kahit po gaano po yan siya kalaki, kaliit, kahit decimal pa yan siya, basta i-raise mo sa 0, the answer is always 1. Okay, please copy. Okay, pause for a while. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next, let's proceed now to the summary of our lesson. For the summary of our lesson, power of a powers, yung number 1. Product of a power, ganyan po. And ito siya, quotient of a power, minus yan dito. Then a raised to 0, the law of zero exponent. Okay, let's proceed to the quiz. For our quiz po, number 7, I would like you to identify if it is true. Then false po kapag mali. Of course. Then, kapag mali po, you fill in the correct answer. For example, dito tayo magsulat. 2 cube times 2, 1 or 2 raised to 1. So, ibig sabihin po, i-add lang po yan. So, magiging 2, 3 plus 1. So, ang sagot po dyan, 2 raised to 4. Pero ang sagot, kunyari, ang sagot is 2 raised to 2. Is it correct? Of course, mali po yan. False po ang sagot. So, you write also the correct answer. 2 raised to 3 plus 1 magiging 4. Paano po nagiging 4? 3 plus 1 po. Magiging 4 po yan siya. Okay, that is now our activity for quiz number 7. 2 points po ang tama, 1 point po mali. Okay, please start answering now and submit it in our Facebook page. So, screenshot. So, we will check this one later. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you and God bless. This ends our lesson and our recorded class.